Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS backgrounds. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS background position top. The background position property is used to specify the position of the background image. So I will be showing you this in this example. We are having body element. We've selected it using our CSS. Then we have background image, background repeat, and the background position set to the top. So right here, let's quickly get to our document. As you can see, here is our document in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the background position to the center. Now we are going to use background position to the top, so you can see how it works. Now let me comment this one out. Everything you see me commenting out, I'm not using it. So right now we are here to use background position to the center, to the top. Sorry, right now we are here to use background position to the top. Now, when I specify the top, we are going to see the funny thing that will happen. Let's reload our document now. Can you see? Our image pops to the top right here. Just imagine. Our image pops to the top. Definitely, it's not by the left top, it's not by the right top. It just pops to the top. So, let's say for instance now, we are having left before. Now, we are having left before, right? Let's say we now change it to the top. Reload. Can you see? It's jumped from that left to the top center of our desktop screen, of our window, of our browser screen. As you can see, it pops to the top, but it's at the center, specifically at the center top. So that's how the top position background position to the top. That's how it works. But once again, I want to show you something. In our previous tutorial where we discussed about the center. Oh, wait, firstly let me show you this. In our previous video where we discussed about the center, we try to do something. We remove our whatever element we declare so far, we remove it out of our document. So we are going to do that for this background position to the top also, and see what will happen. Now let's reload. Can you see? It's still stayed the same place. Can you see? It's still at the same spot. So but when we use the background position to the center, but the one thing, the only difference right here is that this one brings out the full way, the full look of our image. Can you see? This is our image. The way it's looking exactly is the way the position top looks like. Can you see the position top? Can you see? Can you see? There's no any different there. Can you see? It's copy. It brings out all our image, right? Fully. But if it's center, let's change it to center. Let's reload our document. Can you see? Our image pops to the top like this. It's chop it out. Even when we use left also, use left and see what will happen. Can you see? The same thing occurs. Even when we use right also. Can you see? We are not able to see the full size of our image. It's chopped out of our image. Can you see? It's chopped out of it. Like it took half of it in and half of it is showing out to us. So now when we use top, and we now use top, you know what happened? What happened is that it brought out all our image the way it looks exactly. We are able to see it when we use top. The background position top is the one we are using right now. So let's bring back our document we wrote so far. When we save our document also, let's reload. Can you see? Now we are having our document right here when we use our background position to the top. Let's use left again so you can see what I'm talking about. Use left now. Reload your document. Can you see where our document comes? Instead of it to be at the left side here, we expect it to be at the left side, right? But it's at this center of our screen where it says. Just imagine you now remove all this content here. When you remove it, you will see what will happen. Definitely it chop it out. So definitely you should know that there is a lot we have to know about this background position. So I'm going to be showing you all those tricks gently. Please follow the background position playlist very well, so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about clearly. I will be exploring it much better again. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.